The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you open up your Play Store on your Android phone. If you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store, then go ahead and click on search right here. Then you want to make sure you click on search app, then go ahead and then simply type in NimC mobile app, click on search, and then it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on this first one right here. As at the time of making this video, about 1 million plus are using this impressive NIN app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on install right here. After a successful installation, go ahead and hit on open. And then go ahead and accept the location. Then here, scan QR code, verifying identity and authorized data access. Ensure your privacy manage and control is this, and then you can simply click on sign up with your NIN right here. Then go ahead and enter the NIN number into this section right here. So go ahead and enter your NIN number. Then go ahead and click on continue verification. Then you will need to verify your identity. Successful verification of your face. This is going to pump up right here. You just want to make sure you follow along with the camera. Then go ahead and click on continue right here. And then here, set a 6-digit PIN for your NIN auto account. So you have to make sure that you set a PIN that you always remember each time you want to have access to your NIN app. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the PIN right here. Then click on continue. Boom. Go ahead and click on allow. Not now. Click on allow and you are here. It's that simple. So with this, you can easily get your NIN digital right here. It's that simple. There are quite a lot of things you can do with this app as far as NIN app is concerned. In my future tutorial, I will make more video about it. And for you to get your NIN card, simply tap on it right here. You see the front and back right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.